Today, I'm going to show you one of the most common road bike failures that I see in my shop. The problem I'm going to be talking about today is a snap shifting cable. And this is going to present itself as your bike not changing gears even though you're pushing the shift button. You're going to need a hex key, pliers, pick, new cable, and cable cutters. This job starts by removing the cable from the frame, so loosen at the derailleur and then pull it out of the housing until you get to the shifter. Now you can use your pick and pliers to fish the broken piece of cable out of the shifter. Now that I've taken my broken cable out of the shifter, I'm ready to install my new cable and get these gears working again. Start by installing the new cable through the shifter and pull it all the way through until it's tight. Then you can feed the cable through the housing and all the cable stops in the frame until you get back to the rear derailleur. Now feed it through the hole in the derailleur and snug it down using your hex key. Snip the extra cable and then attach an end piece to prevent cable fraying. Now, shift the gears up and down to work the cable into position. This process will actually make the cable a little bit loose, so to tighten it, loosen the derailleur bolt, pull the cable, and then retighten the bolt. This job's almost done, but there's one last step we're going to do, and that's going to be to adjust the tension on the barrel adjuster to get really precise shifting on the way up and down the gear range. Loosening the barrel adjuster will add tension and make it easier to go up the gears. Fine-tune the tension so you can go smoothly up and down the gears. If you're looking for other ways to take care of your bike, take a look at my other video right here. I've also got lots of tips and tricks on my Instagram and TikTok. You can find the links down below as well.